Good afternoon, teacher. Today I'm going to make a presentation of the famous report of that Think Green to Go company. The report is made by Cielo Araceli, Catherine Guamán, Araceli Morlejo, Zoraida Matos, Daniel Olano, Iván Sotillo, Kevin Zapata y Fiorella Caldera. Next. Next. Drink to Go is company that provides non-alcoholic beer barracks that are three factories. That is inspired on more three products like ours, some drinks, exotics and hosts, and that market segment that with its products are direct or choose owns and athletes. Next. Okay. The company Drink to Go will use that different strategies. For the wheels is equals cross that innovation of all products and quality, as well as that difference in the varieties of grains and flowers, rigid squeeze, soft rice in softness with words but company bitter praise in our and the enterprise value. Those values are illustrated with what evaluates that unique situation of that company. Siguiente. Next. So it shows strategy. How that large unmet of the market feelings of the seeds of the competitive and economic working. As an of industrial technology that makes source. Explore the growth market between the products of the wheat entries that Italian market. Some as personnel and dry them to be to meet expectation in reality to customers. Service and her habit as improvement of the quality of our product in penetrating that market and generate operations of standards in a favorite manner. Maximize production capacity of 100% of the factory companies ready or to reduce of produced goods, which will be service in all its something and then ends of each credit. Next.
Strategic objectives. Technology make our level to factories more technological in the first period. To be recognized for the high level innovation and variety of the range of flowers of our very base. Industrial technology increase the budget for improving the quality and effectiveness of products. Competence in knowledge increase market share by 3 and revenue share by 5 for the following year. Improve the profitability and the company by 8 for the first period. Increase sales by 2021. Increase in brand value of 3 points in 2021. Creation of alliance, strengthen strategies with our supplier to keep the company solid and offer better products. To be able to to have facilities with export and that investment are lower thanks to previously structured alliance. Next.
Hi, I explained sales, costs, and benefits, and analysis of main variables income for sales. In the analysis of sales, costs, and benefits, we observe that the benefits are higher than the costs, and our sales have been increased. This is something positive for the company Dream to Go because it's managed to keep costs low. Next, please. Next. In analysis of main variables income for sales, we observe that sales are higher than income and are growing year after year. In 2023, we obtained a higher percentage than the others in income. In terms of sales, 2025 was the best year. Next.
Costs and expenses are unit production costs are reduced over the 5 years. The company maximizes the factory occupancy rate, and this helps reduce the manufacturing cost. Applying what is called economies of scale. Continuing expense. General expenses were uptime for the years 2020 in the amount of 798, 1,629, and for the years 2025 in the amount of the 1,709,772. Expenses grow each year due to market entry and sales volume. The growth of expenses was always less than income. Therefore, there is positive margin that increases years after years. Next, please.
Okay, as you can see, the next presentation, main strategy marketing decisions. We have three marketing decisions here, like sales, price mix, and promotion. Do the offers in the first year, the company increased by 35% in the relation to year 2019. Improving the brand and the entry into new markets. The price mix, the improving of the brand and product innovation. It was decided to have increased by the price and 0.2 en cada año, from which the indicator that allow the grow up, the company could solve it. And the promotion for the investment made the positioning of the brand in three initial markets, reflecting the growing in 2022 in the value of 38%, unlike 2020, which was at 13%. Next presentation. Next. As you can see, we have three pictures here, like sales, the price level, and the value margin. Okay, next.
And the production and operation decisions. Regarding three strategies were one, the increase the industrial technology of the factories investment 25% more each year. With DC better production management that allows us products with better specifications and characteristics. We reduce our inventory storage costs for this. Together with the commercial area, we see growth in our sales, managing to have a productions plan where the surplus inventory is minimal and does not cause problem on or high cost. 3, we minimize plant downtimes. For these downs, to say explaining, we have been able to increase our factory occupancy to values close to 100% during the last step, allowing the reduction of unit production cost. Next. Finance decisions. The main strategic decisions that were made were two: the long-term and credit suppliers, which the company had to evaluate the amount of investment required in addition to the recovery time, the objectives that have to be achieved.
I will continue learnings, and the company took the management learning to sale estimation to able to plan to recover production, carry out commercial activities such as pricing, promotion, compatibilities, the elastic of demands, doubt or price and product value, a strategic allocation of our factories, characters of the markets to enter in the most optimal way, perform project cash flow to control and plan financial records. I see the level on indebtedness and verify what tie on debt we will take short and long term. My final conclusions it is conclude that our management of the company has had a sustainable growth due increase in sale income, performance, brand values, innovation, technology, and other factors that together define value of the company. It is conclude and the achievement of the company is for having applied the differentiation strategy, for having developed a better value profile than the competition, and for having better in higher values. In the main key indicator, such are decisions made in marketing, which achieved the second place on the competition it is a segment owners. The use of management indication is recommended to evaluate or result on a decision. I will as obtain the business plan to be able to make new decisions and project new goal and objectives and shape it. Thanks.
Como equipo, responder las siguientes preguntas. Esta es la etapa 2 del video. ¿Cómo impactó las ventajas competitivas en sus resultados? Se aumentó las ventas, variedades de sabores, el valor de la marca aumentó durante el trayecto de las decisiones, a diferencia del 2022, ¿no? Llegamos en el segundo puesto en el nivel de marketing. ¿Qué decisiones les ayudaron a crear capital de trabajo en su compañía, mantener un porcentaje menor en la parte de los dividendos, ya que si se tenía una mayor rentabilidad de porcentaje de dividendos era casi imposible de reinvertir? ¿Qué decisiones les afectó más en el nivel de necesidades operativas de fondos? Se decidió optar por la inclusión de fábricas para aumentar la producción. Hubo una descoordinación por parte de la producción, se produjo menos de lo que se proyectaba para la última decisión y la empresa Spartinco contrató a la celebridad Romano, la cual contrajo ventaja de inversión. Muchas gracias.